Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. This is Unique B12, as you can tell. Hey, today we have something new. We have the Peep taster. We got some new ones. We got some party cake and some sour watermelon. I have two guesses here. Over here is Glamour Girl 27 and JJ Gaming, like always. They not new. They want to make it seem like they knew an introduction. Come on, y'all been on my channel numerous times already. These people done seen y'all. But anyways, we introduced them again. And also we doing the challenge. It's called the Sweet Tarts Super Sour Challenge. Yes, these things down here. Go out and buy them. I think they are $1 at Dollar Tree. Yeah, Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree haul. Y'all gotta look at my old video, the one before. Yeah, the one I just posted yesterday. Before this one. Y'all go look at that one or whatnot.
So first I'm gonna taste this one.
Yeah. I picked these up at I picked this up at Dollar Tree too. Everything at Dollar Tree. And these are the party cakes. I like something with all the little sprinkles and stuff. And the marshmallows are like little peeps. So we're gonna tell you guys how they taste. And give you our views and options and opinions about that. Oh, next one we're doing is the sour watermelon. It's pink inside, they said. Pink inside. I don't know how pink it is, but we're going to show
It looks pretty pink on the back.
Yeah.
But we gotta see for ourselves with our own eyeballs. You see these things?
Yeah, and they had this other one called the bubble gum. I did not pick that up. They didn't have that one. So, okay. Teachers know. If you had tried that one already, let me know. Oh my goodness, my eye. Sorry, guys. Here. Party cake.
Let's hope it's good.
I hope it is good.
It looks appetizing, even though it looks very blue. It looks like a light baby blue, like
baby
this
blue.
egg kind of.
Baby blue.
A little bit lighter, I guess.
Chicken.
It looks so cool.
Everybody's on the right one. How are you doing?
It's ready.
You gonna try?
They are so soft. Literally.
They look so cute.
That's pretty
I'm
good.
a fan of these peeps. I used to grow up with these little people.
For real?
Let's go.
Look at them. They're like.
They just decorate them.
Do these guys look alike together? Or kind of, but not identical.
Okay, we're gonna taste it and tell you guys how. But the smell, it smells just like party cake, like cupcake.
I didn't sniff it.
It smells just like cupcake.
Let's try.
And it has these purple sprinkles, yellow and blue and pink. Purple. Really nice. And the eyes are chocolate. They always had the little chocolate eye right there, the eye little dot right there on the side.
So we're gonna eat these in 3. It's good.
Marshmallow. They're not that bad.
A little bit good.
I was thinking something different though. Yeah, they're not all of that. You know. But for kids, little kids, like 10 and under,
they like this.
they'll love these. Well, it's not that bad though. They don't taste horrible. They melt in your mouth, not in your hand. But they nice and good though. Next one. They kind of sweet though.
Really sweet.
Yeah. Okay.
Next, sour watermelon.
I got sour watermelon because she loves watermelon. I don't like watermelon, obviously. Watermelon's never been my.
Are you gonna try it though?
I'm gonna try it, but watermelon has never been my favorite. Like, I got sick off of watermelon coming from when we went to we went all the way to Chicago when I was a little girl. I was 10 years old, and we drove all the way from freaking Miami, Florida, all the way to Chicago. We went through Tennessee, Georgia, everywhere. My dad used to take us and travel us everywhere. So I don't like watermelon because when we came back, it was not a good sight.
Ooh.
Okay, take one.
I forgot they were sour.
And they're sour. They look
They're
pink
really
on the
pink.
inside.
They're really pink. They don't show up that good on the camera, but these are really
pink.
pink.
Oh my gosh.
The sugar is sour.
It smells just like a watermelon. And the sour
Ooh,
taste.
my nose.
The sour taste is like, I mean the sour smell. I'm talking about taste. Smell. I'm sorry, guys.
So gonna get this in 3, 2, 1. Oh. Ooh. Ooh.
It is sour.
Very unpleasant.
I told you watermelon has never been my forte. No watermelon for me, guys. It tastes just like watermelon. The fact that it has that green, like that nice green, like bright color, it doesn't throw it off at all. It's just a watermelon sour. Like it has the contrast of it is really good. It still melts, you know, but I don't like watermelon. I tasted it though. But it's good if you love watermelon, especially when people are out there. And once again, happy Easter for everyone. Tomorrow is happy Easter. Easter. Easter.
Yeah, not
it
happy
tastes like tomorrow. Tomorrow is Easter.
It tastes just
like watermelon. What you think?
tastes like watermelon. Tastes like sour watermelon.
Yeah, sour watermelon.
No, it's not sour.
Not that sour. It was sour to me.
It's not sour.
I think the green stuff on the outside was
Not as sour as these.
But they are so pink on the inside. Look. Like it is. It's so pink. Like look at that pinkness in it. Oh yeah.
Is it good to you, friend?
Yeah.
So guys, we're gonna taste these.
Next challenge.
We have to eat 3, right? I have to eat 3 of these without spitting it out.
And I think you can make the face too. You can't make a face.
Oh yeah, you can't make a face like having like face expressions like
not like that. Oh my god, you can't have that face.
You gotta have a straight face like this.
A straight face, yes.
So ready? Be right back.
And
so random colors.
Random colors.
So
you can't just pick a color.
Okay, wait. Ooh.
Like we all get the same color and we taste the same color at the same time.
Everyone get blue. Why you choose the next color?
Red. Green. And we have another one here too. I don't know about that. Oh, you got cheated, man.
No.
Okay, let's put that one back. You got another green one in there?
Yeah.
See? You ain't gonna never get left out. You gonna taste it just like we do. It's the same thing. Okay.
So we all got these 3 colors. Red, green, and blue. So we're gonna try these right now. Oh yeah, purple disgusting.
Ooh, that one's really super sour. Like,
so guys, when we eat
first one is red and blue.
Ready, set, wait. Okay.
Ready,
set, go.
I'm sorry. I was choking. That was sour. I'm sorry. Woo, my eyes. You ready, y'all? I'm done. Okay, next one. Red.
So we both won that first round.
Okay, for that one.
So which one are we doing next?
That was too sour. My eyes started watering.
You choose which one we doing next.
Green. Green is next. Ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
You done with that one?
Yeah.
You need some water? No water?
No.
Okay.
Ready? Set. Go. Ooh.
Y'all done yet? Come on,
I'm
y'all
done.
chew like turtles.
It's sour. Done.
Done. Last one. Red.
Oh, yeah. But you didn't eat your green.
Because I was out with the blue and I spit it out.
Oh,
Out.
you did spit it out,
man.
Oh. Let me get comfortable. You already eating it?
You done?
Oh.
Green. I mean red.
Ready? Set. Go.
That's a sour.
I'm done.
Y'all done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Turtle eaters. They eat like lettuce. You went to the little one over there, Some things are sour. And that was only $1 in the pack. Oh, like,
The orange one is sour.
you made a lot of faces though over here.
Fine. Jeremiah won.
And I totally was out. Like Jeremiah was just like calm and collect. Like Jay, really?
That one's the
So
sour.
Jeremiah won. You won this egg,
You won this
which
egg
is so
up top.
empty that you want it. So here you go. Woo!
Well, I hope everyone has things to do tomorrow for Easter. We're going to church once again, like we did this morning, 9:30. And you guys have a great one. And we hope to see you guys again with a different video. Try these Jolly Ranchers too. These jelly beans are really good.
Wait, do not eat the grape ones. Those things taste like cough medicine.
Oh yeah, the grape is like, terrible.
There's no
So,
good.
we all wish you all happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter. And this is not, if you didn't know that.
You guys subscribe, and I'll check you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.
Oh, very dangerous.
Don't play with me, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding your logic. I'm here and I'm better.